4 years old, went down the stairs?
Yeah.
And then where was he found, over there?
He was like on the sidewalk.
How old is his sister that's up there?
6.
6.
On June 14th, 2024, a quick errand turned into a serious case when officers found a 4-year-old boy alone and unclothed near the side of the road.
Just saw this kid standing here on the street.
Okay.
No parent, no nothing. We've been here for 5 minutes. They said they were here for 15 minutes. He asked him for his name. He says, "Mommy's up in the sky playing." I said, "Do you live here?" And he said, "Yes." He's naked from waist down.
Oh, we should ask Russia first. That's why look up okay? So what happened is, when I drove, I got right here, I noticed like standing there. So I guess everybody must have saw the same thing. So a bunch of us stopped.
Hey, buddy, you smile for me? Give me a smile. So, can you show us where your daddy or mommy's at?
Can you show them which house is it?
Hey, come with us, okay?
Come on, let's go find your house. Let's find your house. Okay? Do you know where it is? You don't know your house? I'll follow you.
Mommy.
What's your name?
Mommy.
What's mommy's name?
I'm mommy.
Where? That's mommy? Where?
I'm mommy.
Where? Where's mommy? Let's find mommy.
You want me to carry him so he's not like walking barefoot?
I'm trying to follow him because I guess it seems like he knows where he's going.
Oh yeah, right there, yeah.
Yeah, I see a lot of toys.
There's toys in there?
Yeah, toys.
Hey Hudson, doors open up here. Doors open. Goose, you got him?
Yeah.
Let's see what we got.
You saying here?
Yeah, I think he's saying here. Hold on, stay here. Hold on.
Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office. Is anybody home? Yeah, door was open. Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office.
Yeah, I know.
Tade, esse é lá, Leti. He guys lá?
Oh, no money.
That's where he lives at. Where? Right there.
Palm Beach County Sheriff.
Hey, man. Hey, wake up.
Hey! Palm Beach County Sheriff.
Relax. Sorry, we scared you. Hey, do you have a little brother? Yes. Here, do me a favor. We're going to step out and get some pants on. Your little brother, I think, walk down the house, okay? That's a hard sleeper.
What's your name? Did they call you, is it Michael?
No cry. Come on.
Mommy's coming.
Mommy's coming, no cry.
She's coming.
Is this your little brother out here? Is that your little brother?
Is that your brother? Is that your brother?
Yes, no?
Yes?
Yes, it is.
How old is she?
She's young. She's probably under 12. How old are you?
You guys live here in the complex? You guys live here in the complex?
No, I don't live here. I live here.
Where were you at? But is it same community?
So that's your brother.
That brothers and sisters. That's your brother? Where you live?
That's what we need to figure out.
Oh, she was there?
How old are you? She's 6. And what's
Where's your
name?
mom?
Abigail, what's your brother's name? I didn't hear, I'm sorry.
JJ?
Where's your parents?
You have a
What's your last name?
phone number?
If I give you the phone, can you call your parents?
Are they supposed to be here?
Could I know?
Yeah, please.
Jane! Is that mommy in the red car?
So we got the original caller, correct?
JJ.
Yeah. Okay. So.
JJ! Bye, baby!
Yeah.
She's gonna get him some underwears and pants so I can get my shirt back.
Oh, true.
Yeah, I have to go home with my day.
Sorry.
No worries. He was just standing there naked, so I was like...
Who's got the kid?
He's up there with his sister. His sister is 6. So I guess she had no idea that he had stepped out.
Oh,
no parents were here.
4 years old, went down the stairs?
Yeah.
And then where was he found, over there?
He was like on the sidewalk.
How old is his sister that's up there?
6.
6.
Oh. Yeah.
So we just gotta call mommy or daddy to figure out where they're at to see what's going on. Do you guys ever stay home alone?
No.
Never? So this is the first time this has ever happened? Okay.
Are you the mom? Huh?
Yes, I'm here. I'm with them. I'm with them.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
All right, I gotta ask you some questions first, okay?
Sorry.
So, you already know what's going on, right?
He just called me to say
that your child, we found them outside?
Yeah.
Okay, I have to Mirandize you, okay?
You have to what?
Mirandize you.
What's that
read you
mean?
your rights.
Car.
I just gotta read you your rights.
Petit, me just saw to your jeune. God don't be a map.
Listen, we're here, we're just investigating, okay? You gonna, tell them you're gonna call them back later, because we gotta figure this out, yes. What's your name?
My name is Judy.
Okay, I am required to warn you before you make any statement that you have the following constitutional rights. Okay, you have the right to remain silent and to answer any questions. Any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given. I can make no threats or promises to induce you to make a statement. Okay, do you understand those rights which I have read to you?
Yeah.
Okay, with those rights in mind, are you choosing to speak to me?
Yeah.
Okay, so
I'm just doing an event. They've been sleeping, and I went to the clubhouse. I'm setting up something so they're sleeping.
Here in the complex?
Yeah, I'm in the front, in the office. So I'm setting up an event for somebody, and they were sleeping, so I just left them to sleep.
So you work here?
I live here.
I know you live here, but you also work...
No, like, I'm doing a party for someone tomorrow. So this morning I just went there to unload the truck, and now I'm coming back. And they're sleeping.
Okay.
So I guess my son woke up and my daughter's probably still sleeping. Is my daughter up?
How old is your daughter?
She's 5, 6.
Okay, so you went to the clubhouse.
Yeah,
At what time did you go? Do you know what time you went?
Like 10 minutes ago.
No,
longer. No. Sorry. Hold on. It's been about an hour.
And when you left them, they were sleeping in their room?
Yeah, they're sleeping.
When you left, they were
sleeping?
sleeping?
Yes, they were sleeping.
Okay. You know you're not supposed to leave minors of that age.
I know, I'm sorry. That won't happen again. I don't want this to escalate any further, please.
How long were you gone from here originally?
Like an hour. Like, I was unloading the truck. So I feel like it's been an hour.
What truck?
This right here. I just unloaded the stuff.
So where did you start from though? That's what I'm asking.
What do you mean? In the community, right here.
I know, but you left here to go where? You left
to the clubhouse. To the clubhouse in the front.
Okay. All right, do we run her and put her in the call?
No, not yet.
Okay, let's put her in the call.
What call? What's the call?
Well, we got a call because did he explain your 3-year-old was found on military trail?
Yeah, I gotta get more info. Do you have your ID on you?
No,
it's in the car.
JJ, look.
Okay, what's your date of birth? What's your date of birth? He knows how to unlock the door and stuff?
Yes, he do now. Even when I work from home, even when I'm on the computer, he unlocks it. And I'm like, just get inside.
The problem is the way we found him. He was
on the street. On the street. He could have got hit with
his car. So that's a problem.
Boom, bye. All right, guys. No problem.
Where did you get the sticker from?
Fire rescue.
Bye, JJ. Bye. Bye, guys.
Does dad live here?
I only have case history and he's not one missing person document.
So what do CF does? What are they going to do?
Well, so this is the issue. What's your first name?
Judy.
Judy, this is the issue. Is your kids are very young. And so I think we're all parents here. Leaving your kids home, even to run a quick errand, to go check the mail, this and that. What we do, we decide if it's child neglect or is it something that we could all end up doing. Like, I went to go 2 doors down to talk to my neighbor, and then he was like, hey, come check out this thing. And I walked into his house, and then we started talking, and I didn't realize I've been gone for 20, 30 minutes, and my kids. So the problem, there's a couple of problems. Your kids are very young. There's no age in the books, meaning the Florida State statute book. There's no age. We have to evaluate kids on how mature they are. She is mature, but she's 6. She does know your information. She did know the phone number. The problem with this one is she was, nothing she did wrong. She was passed out sleeping. So if she was watching TV, that would be a totally different scenario. She was out cold. Leaving your kids home alone, even if it's for a short period of time, it's a felony. Is not to say that you meant to do it, but this is what happened. So you can bring them upstairs. We'll come and talk to you. We're still deciding things. All right, so just give us a little bit. You can bring the kids upstairs if you want. Let's call and talk to them.
Yes.
All right, we just want to talk to you out here, not in front of the kids, because we don't want them to see you. So you are going to go to jail for today. You might even speak to a judge today. Because of all the elements. All the elements of the crime are there. You left the kid alone. It's Florida State statute.
Can the kid stay with your best friend? Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So you have a cell phone? Is your cell phone with you?
Yeah, she has it in her hand.
Okay. So he's gonna have you walk down, and I'll explain to your friend, your best friend, what's going on, and then you can call your husband with your phone down there.
Yeah, we just didn't
right.
want to let the kids see you going in the handcuffs. Okay.
So yeah, just walk down with him. He'll explain everything to you.
Can I finish just tell them?
No,
like, my
I'm
sister,
gonna tell her.
I'm not gonna go crazy.
No, I'm gonna tell her for you.
The thing is,
She's just gonna walk you down.
we don't want you kids to.
I'll talk to your
They've already
2
gone
seconds.
enough.
Just give me 1 second. Like,
What do you need to do?
I'm just gonna tell my friend and then.
I'm gonna tell
So
her
let's call.
for you.
If you want, call her out.
Yeah, cop.
Yeah, if you want, just call her
I'm
out.
sorry.
Best friend? J'ai besoin de ta petite monde pour ça que tu passes. Il faut pas essayer. You pas laver, you pas laver dans n'importe c'est kawa. Si vous avez une question, je vais expliquer. I'm basically tell her if she has any questions, let me know. But we're gonna walk her down. We'll get her stuff out of the vehicle. Which car is yours?
The red one?
No, this one. So should I cancel this event? Like,
When is the event? When
it's
is
for
it?
tomorrow.
Well, you don't know. We don't know yet because you could be out today.
I can take my phone, right?
Yeah.
So I gotta get arrested and all that? Jesus Christ.
Well, no. Let's get that.
I know. You said it.
No, phone.
Hey, you got bad shoulders, right?
Oh yeah, I got a broken arm.
We're gonna handcuff you in the front since you have bad shoulders. You understand?
This is crazy. All right, guys. So can we please see a judge and like see how this works
That's
out?
what we're trying to do as fast as possible.
Oh my gosh, this is so embarrassing, so crazy.
You're gonna see him today through like a Zoom call, most likely.
Ooh, the court?
The judge.
Okay.
And then he's gonna let you know how he's on and whatever it is.
All right, thank you. Wait, this is where they do mug shots and all that too?
Have you ever been arrested before?
No. All right. Jesus Christ.
She was charged with child neglect